Saan at kanino pwedeng magsumbong ang mga pasyenteng hindi na-cover ng ZBB dahil man sa limitadong bed capacity, stock out o iba pang dahilan?
Ang sumbungan po is sa 888, the Presidential Hotline.
Zero balance billing. Pwede po bang i-clarify ano eksakto ang covered sa ilalim ng ZBB?
The zero balance billing will be applied to anyone who is accommodated in a basic or ward and in a DOH hospital. Yun lang ang conditions. They will really cover everything.
Bakit walang ZBB sa lahat ng ospital? Gayong may tinakdang ratio sa UHC law for basic or ward nga accommodations, 90-70-10 for public, specialty at saka private hospitals. At gaya ng napaulat, ano ang plano ng DOH para sa mga probinsyang walang DOH retained hospitals?
What we did was the subcommittee recommended additional funding for zero balance billing in LGU hospitals as a pilot project for DOH to start. And then hopefully by next year we can increase the support that we give them.
Dapat laging namumuno ang DOH na gawing available yung ZBB. Make available those basic or ward accommodations kung saan pwedeng pakinabangan yung ZBB. Saan at kanino pwedeng magsumbong ang mga pasyenteng hindi na-cover ng ZBB dahil man sa limitadong bed capacity, stock out o iba pang dahilan?
Ang sumbungan po is sa 888, the Presidential Hotline.
So my appeal is clear. Let us correct the shortfalls, restore what was withheld, and invest boldly in the health and dignity of every Filipino.